Okay, today I've got a couple locks here sent to me from CajunLockPick. He sent me one of his. This is from CajunLockPick. Then I have another one here from Fidalis 84. I think that's how you say it. I know his name's Rob. But his username on the Discord, at least, is Fidalis84. I think it's FEDAALIS 84. Hopefully I'm spelling it right. But we got Cajun lock picks and Rob's lock here. Both of them's challenge locks. So we're gonna poke around, try to get them open, see if we can't keep from embarrassing ourselves. So let's see if we can get working on this thing, see if we can't get it picked. Something dropped just then. I think we got the false set back. Couple more pins just dropped. Lovely. Alright, big false set there. Counter rotation on a 3. There we go. Alright. A lot of stuff going on inside this lock. A lot of modifications. Did not trying to pick it there a couple times. Kind of lost track in my head what I was trying to do. Seemed like this after resetting once or twice, same pins had different feels to them. So let's take this thing out here and take it apart and see what we got inside. Alright, let's get this thing taken apart. Start by taking these out of the... Okay. Let's get these out of here. 5. Let me do this a little better so I can make sure to get them in the right orientation. Interesting. Okay, so see if you can see this. The cylinder here, he's got, looks like chamber threading in chambers 2, 4, and 5. Some counter milling in 3. It looks like a little bit of counter milling there in chamber 1 as well. So all in all, a lot of modifications to the chambers. Pin 1, we've got or key pin number 5. It's kind of a more like a, excuse the extremely dry hands, but kind of got a missile type shape there. Some good spooling, nice thin lip to grab. Number 4, key pin, longer key pin. It's got 3 or 4 different little ridges in there to catch. Nice little thin lip. All these are really nice looking pins so far. Key pin number 3, similar to number 5. Number 4's, or number 2, sorry, it's kind of similar. It's got a definitely wider lip, a little shaved down as it gets towards the middle of the pin there. And then key pin number 1's similar to 3 and 5, but it does have some extra grooving in the middle. Alright, let's see if I can do this without launching these across the room. That. there it goes on the top. Number 3. Okay, let's just spin it around and go this way. Number 5 and number 4. Well, I don't know if there's any spring modifications in here, so let me take these out one by one. Some different springs already. And then let's see, number 3. Line this up here for a good photo. Oh Lord. Alright, now that we've got it all taken apart here, see if I can do this easily. Get a nice view there of all the pins. Looks like every pin in there is has been modified pretty heavily. Great lock, really fun pick, good stuff for sure. So, all right, I'm gonna try to piece this thing back together without losing anything. So, again, CajunLockPick, awesome challenge lock. Thanks for sending it to me.